Okay, so I'm in Pretoria right now. This is Thomas Edison Street. I don't know exactly where I'm at. Just had to come here and pick up some stuff. And walking around, so I decided I'll let you walk around with me, see what it looked like. Really nice, quiet area. Looks very family friendly over here, like just about any other area of South Africa. Here's a post office in front of me. And here's a postnet. In a postnet, you can do any shipping, DHL. You can ship stuff to DHL through those. The music and bookstore. And so if you can see here across the street, a lot of eateries, different places. That's why I just met my friend to pick something up. And we got a pet store here. I don't know if pets are big in Pretoria. You don't see many in Johannesburg in the city areas. Also, if you're a hookah smoker, hookahs are very affordable here. And they call them hookahs, like O-U-K-A. And I'm about to go in here to Super Spar and just pick up like a juice or something. So let me head in here, then I will be right back.